Hey guys, another recipe from my mother. I am in Israel and we're getting ready for Passover. I posted a roasted pepper salad recipe and it's delicious. If you haven't checked that out, then go and do that. Really simple recipe. And this one is another very simple recipe, and this is an eggplant salad. Now, I personally don't eat eggplants. I love growing eggplants, but when I was 6 years old, I had a babysitter that forced me to eat eggplants, and I puked for what I remember a week. Probably wasn't a week, but that's how traumatic it was. And since then, I have never in my life ate eggplant. In fact, the smell is really hard for me, but I love growing that vegetable. The plant is beautiful and the vegetable is beautiful. I can't personally eat it, but I'm sure some of you love eggplants, so I really wanted to share this one with you. You'll see that we're starting with eggplant that is already baked in the oven. So basically the first step that we're missing here is slicing the eggplant, and you can peel them or not peel them, doesn't matter. But slice the eggplants to slices that are about like ½ an inch thick or something like that, and then put them on parchment paper, line them on parchment paper on a baking sheet, and then take oil spray and just spray them lightly. Then put in a 350 degrees oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You want them soft and golden. At that point, you can freeze them. So if you have a lot of eggplant that are coming from the garden and you want to do that first step and then just freeze them, we're going to use 2. So if you are planning to make the salad in the future, then you can just pack them in 2 eggplant bags, and then you know that they're already ready to go. Then the rest you're going to see here. We're going to slice them and then add some pickles and dry tomatoes and all this good stuff. So I hope you'll enjoy this recipe, and I will put all the information in the notes and the links in the description below. Enjoy. Here you can see the baked or roasted eggplants. Basically, my mom just took the bag out of the freezer. She already have the bag in portions of 2 eggplants, so she knows that that's like a portion for her salad, and it's easy to just take the bag out of the freezer and let it thaw, usually overnight or something like that. For a few hours is fine. Then go ahead and dice the eggplants. You can leave them in large pieces, you can do a little smaller pieces, however you like it is just fine. Next, remove the leaves from a bunch of cilantro. We're just going to use the leaves. You can toss the stems away. Give the leaves a good wash. Sometimes they have some sand on them, especially if they come from the store. And then you want to give them a good chop before you add them to the bowl with the diced eggplants. We're going to add pickles to this salad. In my household in Israel, when we use pickles, it's almost always salted pickles. So lacto fermented pickles. I have both a video on this channel on how to make lacto fermented cucumbers, and also a blog post on the blog that is called Israeli Pickles Recipe, I think. But you can use any kind of pickles that you like here, dill pickles or even hamburger pickles, whatever kind of pickles you like. Just slice them and dice them and add them to the bowl. Dried tomatoes are next. I think my mom used like four 4 half dried tomatoes or something like that. It's a salad, so I'll have the measurements on the blog, but you can just go ahead and add more or less depending on how much you like dried tomatoes. Give them a dice and add them to the bowl as well. Last but not least is garlic. If this garlic looks a little weird to you, it's just because it was frozen. My mom likes to peel a whole lot of garlic cloves and stick them in a bag and put them in the freezer. This way she has them peeled and ready to go anytime she needs garlic. Just give it a good dice and add it to the bowl as well. After that, all that we have to do is add the seasonings. We use some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and black pepper, cumin, olive oil, and salt to taste. Then you just give the salad a good toss and it is ready to be served. Another great thing about this salad is that you can easily keep it in the fridge for about a week, and you can also make it ahead before a party. So it's a very good salad if you just need something ready to go in the fridge, or if you're getting ready for a big event. That's it, you guys. Again, all the links, the measurements, everything is going to be linked below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.